Hi, this is Otis from Premier Truck Group, SelecTrucks of Kansas City. I've got this nice 2022 Cascadia that has 506,000 miles. It's a very good buy for a 2022. It has all aluminum wheels. I see it has a bunk heater, air side fifth. It has been serviced. Body is in very good condition. Nice blue color. It's got all the safety equipment on it with the blind zone alert, lane departure, adaptive cruise. Inside is in good condition. See a refrigerator, 2 bunks. Oh, and I really like this kingpin release. It can sure save you a lot of time and trouble. Again, my name's Otis with Premier Truck Group. I'd be happy to help you. Let me know.